Is your Infiniti G37 key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a need to relearn the key to your car. First, replace the CR232 battery inside the fob. Open the fob carefully, ensuring the positive side of the new battery faces up. Replace the CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side faces up. If that doesn't work, you'll need to relearn the key. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position multiple times. Then press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob in sequence. Listen for horn beeps or watch for dash lights to confirm the relearn. These steps address most key fob issues, getting you back on the road quickly and affordably. If battery replacement and key relearning don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the car's antenna system. The key fob communicates via low-frequency antennas embedded in your car's doors and interior. Symptoms of antenna failure include no response from certain distances or angles. To diagnose, use a multimeter to check the antenna's electrical continuity. This involves testing the wiring connections for breaks or corrosion. If the antenna is faulty, replace the damaged parts, which may involve the antenna module or the BCM. Expect costs of $50 to $200 for parts and labor. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is shifting to digital keys and smartphone integration, where apps replace physical fobs. As the G37 ages, aftermarket universal key fobs that work across Nissan and Infiniti models are becoming increasingly common and cost-effective.